students, I hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to start our computer subject third lesson, that is future of a computer. So let us start. Children, previously you have learned that a computer is a wonderful useful machine. It is used for doing so many tasks. It makes our work easier. A computer works very fast. It can do many things faster that we do manually. There are certain characteristics or features of computer process which makes the computer very smart and intelligent device. So students, let us learn about some important features of a computer. First, a computer works fast. Computer is a very fast calculating device. Speed of the computer means the speed of its processor. It defines the amount of instructions that can be performed in unit time. Children, it takes us some time for adding big number, but a computer can give the answer in a second or two. A computer can work faster than us. We can use it to save time. Student, next we will be discuss about second feature. A computer can do many things together. Students, look at this picture. Mr. Sharma is trying to write a letter. He is also doing some and talking on the phone. He is doing all this at the same time and finding it difficult. A computer can do many things at the same time. So, what do you mean by this? A computer can do many things together. Next, we will discuss about third feature. A computer can do boring work. Children, look at this picture. Aditi works in a shop. Her job is to add up a lot of numbers. All day, she is bored of doing this work. A computer never gets tired or bored. It can do the same things over and over again and again. Will it not be good if Aditi use a computer to do her calculations? So, what do you mean by this? A computer can do boring work. Next, we will discuss about fourth feature. A computer is accurate. Rajan makes many mistakes in his work. His work takes up more time than it should. But students, a computer is accurate. It will be help him finish his work quickly and the work will be accurate too. So what do you mean by this? A computer is accurate in its work. The fifth feature is a computer can store information. Students, a computer is designed to work with information. It does not forget. It has a memory. We can use the computer memory to restore information whenever we wish to use it again. Children, we also forget many things that we learn. But a computer has a large memory and can store huge amount of data. Now the sixth future is a computer cannot do some things. Students, although a computer can do many things, we must know that it cannot eat, sleep or breathe, etc. But it cannot do this because it is not a living thing. Does not have any feeling. It is an electronic machine. Okay, children, I hope that you have understood what I taught you today. Now let us see a video to
Characteristics of computers. Hi kiddo, I am Nano. I am back with you again. As you know, a computer is a machine. It helps you to do many things quickly, easily and better. Computer can help you to draw and color pictures, type and design letters and cards, do sums, watch cartoons, listen to songs, do homework, play games, store information, send emails to your friends. You also know that the computer is not an ordinary machine, it is a smart machine. Now we will learn the characteristics of the computer. Speed. A computer works very fast. It can do billions of sums very quickly. It saves us a lot of time. Accuracy. When we work, we can sometimes become careless and make mistake. But a computer does not make mistake. It is very accurate and reliable. Diligence. Steady work. If we have to do the same work again and again, we lose interest in the work. But a computer can do some task again and again. The computer never gets tired or bored. Large memory. It takes us a lot of time to memorize certain things. We also forget many things we learn. But a computer has a large memory and can store huge amount of data, word, numbers and pictures. Multifunctional. As shown, we have already seen a computer can do a wide variety of tasks like adding numbers, drawing pictures, printing letters and playing music. These are some of the important characteristics of computers. Computers and human beings. You can see that the computer can work faster and better than human beings in many ways. So, are they superior to us? No, computers may be smart, yet we are smarter than them because of the reason given below. Human beings. We can work on our own. We do not need somebody to switch us on and guide us at every step. Computers? Computers cannot work on their own. They start working only when we instruct them to work. Human beings. We can think and take decisions. Computers cannot think on their own. They can only follow our instructions. Human beings. We can create new things with the help of our imaginations or thinking power. Computers? Computers cannot create new things by themselves. They can only perform tasks for which instructions have been put into them by us.
Friends, did you understood the video about futures of a computer? So now let's summarize the topic. A computer works fast. A computer can do many things at the same time. A computer is accurate. A computer never gets bored. We can use the computer memory to store information. There are many things that we can do, but a computer cannot. So, with this our chapter is completed and you studied about work of computer. So please read this lesson from your book carefully. I have sent exercise which you need to open by clicking on the blue link of exercise. If you have the computer textbook, then write exercise in it. And if you don't have, you can write in notebook. Children, you also need to solve the MCQ test. Bye all of you. Stay safe at home. Thank you.